File Formats 3. Audio and Special File Formats. Other than video and image file formats, we have file formats for audio also, and some special file formats too. So let's see some of the audio file formats first. Audio Interchange File Format, AIFF, is an audio file format standard used for storing sound data for personal computers and other electronic audio devices. There is also a compressed variant of AIFF known as AIFF-C or AIFC with various defined compression codecs. Standard AIFF is a leading format used by professional-level audio and video applications, and unlike the better-known lossy MP3 format, it is non-compressed and lossless. Like any non-compressed, lossless format, it uses much more disk space than MP3s, about 10 megabytes for 1 minute of stereo audio at a sample rate of 44.1 kHz, and a sample size of 16 bits. The file extension for the standard AIFF format is .AIFF or .AIF. MPEG-1 audio, more commonly referred to as MP3, is a patented digital audio encoding format using a form of lossy data compression. It is a common audio format for consumer audio storage, as well as a de facto standard of digital audio compression for the transfer and playback of music on digital audio players. MP3 is an audio-specific format that was designed by the Moving Picture Experts Group as part of its MPEG-1 standard. MIDI, Musical Instrument Digital Interface, is an industry-standard protocol defined in 1982 that enables electronic musical instruments, such as keyboard controllers, computers, and other electronic equipment, to communicate, control, and synchronize with each other. MIDI allows computers, synthesizers, MIDI controllers, sound cards, samplers, and drum machines to control one another, and to exchange system data. MIDI does not transmit an audio signal or media. It transmits event messages, such as the pitch and intensity of musical notes, by playing control signals for parameters such as volume, vibrato and panning, cues, and clock signals to set the tempo. As an electronic protocol, it is notable for its widespread adoption throughout the music industry. All MIDI-compatible controllers, musical instruments, and MIDI-compatible software follow the same MIDI 1.0 specification, and thus interpret any given MIDI message the same way, and so can communicate with and understand each other. Because the music is simply data rather than recorded audio waveforms, the data size of the files is quite small by comparison. Now, let's see some special file formats other than video, audio, and image file formats. There are some more file formats, so let's see. Adobe ClipNotes .pdf. PDF is an acronym for Portable Document Format. PDF is a file format created by Adobe Systems in 1993 for document exchange. PDF is used for representing two-dimensional documents in a manner independent of the application software, hardware, and operating system. Each PDF file encapsulates a complete description of a fixed layout 2D document that includes the text, fonts, images, and 2D vector graphics which compose the documents.